Hello, my name is Sean Haynes, and I would like to demonstrate my Create an Element project. The element I chose for this project is bromine. Bromine, as you see, has a chemical symbol of capital B, lowercase r, with an atomic number of 35 and an atomic mass of 79.904 AMU. Due to the atomic mass and number, that means it has 35 protons, 45 neutrons, and 35 electrons. And because it's in the 17th group of the periodic table, it's classified as a halogen. Due to the physical properties of bromine, that means that it is a non-metal and it's also a liquid at room temperature. It also has a dark reddish brown or deep red color in its natural state, and it can corrode metals and tissue, and it can dissolve in water. And one fact I neglected to mention in this presentation is that it's very toxic to inhale to humans. It has a density of 3.120 grams per centimeters cubed, or 3,120 kilometers per meters cubed. It has a melting point of negative 7.350 Celsius and a boiling point of 58.9 Celsius. Now, there are two key important figures in bromine's discovery: Carl Loewig in Kreuznach, Germany, 1825, and Antoine Jerome Ballard Montpellier in Montpellier, France, 1826. Loewig found a sample from a natural spring near his home in 1835 and showed it to his professor, and his professor asked him to find more. Now, while this is happening, Ballard was able to find a sample in 1826 while investigating salt water. He became published for his findings first and became known as the discoverer, while Carl Loewig was not able to be known and was figured out later. Now, there's a multiple uses for bromine. It's used in agricultural chemicals, dyes, insecticides, pharmaceutical medicine, plastic casing for electronics, and as a fire retardant, and in mattresses. Areas of the world where the element is produced or found is in seawater, natural brines, and salt lakes and evaporates. There are environmental concerns with the extraction and disposal due to the toxicity nature of the element. Some fun facts I like to include about bromine is that in the show Breaking Bad, in the title card, the chemical symbol capital B lowercase r and the atomic number 35 is used to show just the element in the name for the breaking. And this is due to the more chemical nature of the show and the main character being a chemist. Now, bromine is the only non-metal to exist in liquid form at room temperature, as shown here. It's kind of in this model, just a more it's taking the form as a liquid would. And in fact, it's only one of two elements to exist in liquid form at room temperature, the other being mercury. Now, the 3D model I like to show and shows was, well, my mattress. Concerning that, I mentioned earlier that it's used as a fire retardant. It's used in mattresses just to help with fires in case, I don't know, the house burns down, and it helps people escape and not catch on fire as fast. And these are just my citations. Well, I hope you enjoyed this presentation.